Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Lichess mobile app. Whether you want to challenge your friends to a game or simply connect with fellow chess enthusiasts, adding friends on Lichess is a great way to do it. Let's get started. First things first, open up the Lichess app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Within the side menu, find the section called Players, tap on that. Here you'll see a list of players on the app. Alternatively, you can also add friends while you're playing a game. Just find your opponent's profile during the match. Whether you're browsing players or looking at a profile, you'll see a button that says follow next to the username. That's your key to adding friends. Simply tap the follow button and voila, you've just added that player as a friend on Lichess. Here's the cool part. Following someone on Lichess is basically the same as adding them as your friend. You can see when they're online, challenge them to games whenever you're feeling competitive, or even chat with them a bit, all within the Lichess app. So that's it, now you know how to add friends and connect with other chess lovers on the Lichess mobile app. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.